I know, these days everybody is always talking about politics and all. And for us Bengalis, it was a very natural thing to talk about politics, to talk about, the daily impact of political things on daily life and all. And, South Indians tab theek tha, Gujarati tab theek tha. But the country's situation is really bad when even Punjabis are talking about politics on a daily level. It's sahi mein kafi halat kharab hai. And Indians as general are very large-hearted people. So when under the Congress rule the first scam happened, the Commonwealth scam happened, everybody was fairly compromising. Everybody was like, yeah, theek hai. Theek hai. Life ups and downs to aate rehte. After that, there were further more scams. There was the 2G scam, there was the Adarsh scam, and everybody was still like, "ठीक है यार, ठीक है." Like ups and downs तो आते रहते, ठीक है. Then there were further scams. There was a coal scam. Then rupee value started going down. GDP growth rate started going down, and everybody was suddenly like, "यार ये तो life में ups and downs नहीं आ रहे, तो downs and further downs ही आएगा." After which you are having to convince yourself that the previous down was a fucking up. And the Congress government, instead of showing responsibility, just keep showing regret. अरे तो बड़ा बुरा हुआ. ये तो नहीं होना चाहिए था. But you cannot think of any other political party, because the moment you think about any other political party, Congress goes like, dude, they are communal, we are secular. True, Congress is very secular. They don't screw one religion, they screw all of them. Hindu, Muslim, Sikh, Isai, sabki Congress ne bachai. And then Congress claims that we came out with the only good thing. We came out with the food security bill. Food security bill, ab garib se garib ko khana milega. We have had that food security for hundreds of years. It was just called a langar. And uske liye we did not need a 2,000 crore budget. Have you guys seen the Congress campaign ad? Yeah, on TV during the match and all, they show Congress campaign. It's the most brilliant ad, because in that ad they show all poor people and everybody is so happy. I've really never seen poor people so happy. Like they actually, in that ad, if you notice, they actually show this guy who's picking up bricks. He's picking up 8 bricks and he's like, he's so happy. Why is he so happy? Earlier I used to feel angry at Rahul Gandhi, but now I just feel bad for him. I feel उसके साथ उसका भी वही तारशील का ही केस है, तारे ज़मीन पर वाला. Poor thing is in this probably because of parental pressure. Maybe he just want to become a painter or something. It looks like that, कि कहीं हमारी खोया हुआ है. But then whom do we make the PM? Whom do we make the PM? Modi, Narendra Modi. But Narendra Modi, that's very dicey, because I was talking to this Muslim friend of mine, and my friend goes like, dude, we cannot have Modi as the Prime Minister, he's communal. And I'm like, yeah, fair enough. It's actually a good possibility that the third front comes to power and Mamata Banerjee becomes the Prime Minister. I kid you not, my friend looked at me and said, "Abhi is अच्छा तो Modi को ही बना दो." Imagine the predicament of this guy. He'd much rather be killed than be badly irritated. Then whom do we make the Prime Minister? Arvind Kejriwal. Any Arvind Kejriwal fans in the house? Yeah. Still nice. Arvind Kejriwal came to power in Delhi and he made water free and electricity free, and then in 49 days he's resigned, which was awesome. मतलब बचपन में याद होता था ना, एक दिन का सबसे शैतान बच्चे को एक दिन का मॉनिटर बना देते थे, वो रिसेस में चला जाता था. It was not like that, And if I ever meet Arvind Kejriwal, there's just one thing I want to tell him. I want to look directly into his eyes and there's just one thing I want to tell him. Sir, आपने सुना नहीं है क्या? 2 हफ्तों से ज़्यादा खांसी टीबी हो सकती है. Please check up करा लो. अभी 2 दिन हुए कोल्ड से निकले हुए, वाराणसी में क्या डुबकी लगा रहे हो यार? Then whom do we make the Prime Minister? Whom do we make the Prime Minister? I think best is यार हनी सिंह को Prime Minister बना दो. Best है यार, हनी सिंह को बना दो. Like what are the requirements for being a Prime Minister? You have to be controversial. Honey Singh has been controversial. Remember last year when the whole gang rape thing happened and everybody, especially Barkha Dutt, started all going like, "Sab isi ki galti hai, Honey Singh ki galti hai. He's the biggest misogynist." Honey Singh के खानदान में पता भी नहीं होगा misogynist का मतलब क्या होता है. उसको लगता है वो डेंटिस्ट के भाई को बुलाता है. Not such a kick-ass, बाकी सबको छोड़ो, सब हनी सिंह की गलती है. Just imagine Honey Singh is probably chilling in a studio room, you know. He's going, Navina dope show. And suddenly somebody barges in the room. Sir, gang rape हो गया आपके जैसे? हैं? पर मैं तो ये गाने बजा रहा था. सर, गानों की वजह से तो gang rape हो गया. गाने की वजह से gang rape भी हो गया. कौन कहता है? सर, बरखा दत्त कहती है. संजय दत्त की बहन ऐसा क्यों कहती है? And Honey Singh must be like, dude, I even tried to spread positive messages. I even said dope show मत करो. तब तो किसी ने thanks नहीं बोला. And Honey Singh has clearly shown his political intent. He has clearly shown his political intent. Remember that song Brown Rang in which he was like, white chicks, I don't like him anymore. Who was that for? Sonia Gandhi. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Abhijit.